everyone, how are you feeling today? I wish you a wonderful day ahead. Welcome to the first YouTube video on my channel. People call me Special K, so I'm naming my YouTube channel as Special K Forex. With the name Special K Forex, you would have guessed what I'm going to share is related to Forex trading. I am a fellow trader just like you. On this channel, I would like to focus on Forex education, covering all aspects from risk management, trade management, and of course, my strategy, SK Suite. I was like everyone else when I first started on my Forex journey. I wanted to earn as much as possible quickly, but failed. Yes, you heard me right. Failed and failed multiple times. I was trying to look for the Holy Grail, but could never find it. So what brings me here, you ask? Well, after close to 3 years of grinding, laborious coding and testing, I am both happy and proud that I have created a winning strategy with a combination of indicators which would give you high probability trades. With a strict set of objective rules to follow, you will get insanely accurate trades. No guesswork, just follow simple rules using 6 indicators. I have basically created a GPS roadmap for your trading. Now let me hop onto the chart and show you. The bands you see here, this double bands. This is the SK trend indicator. It is the master indicator of SK Suite. It is a set of double bands which provides indication of how price moves. It guides you through price action. When price hits above or below the outer bands, that is when price would typically reverse, and that's when you would want to watch for an entry. As with every indicator, this would not be used in isolation. 2 indicators would be given to you free when you purchase SK Trend for added confluence. First, the box indicator. When the box appears above or below outer bands, it shows that price is ready to reverse. The second free indicator, the master trend, would give you confirmation for a good entry. So now how do we use all the 3 indicators? Let's go through the buy and sell conditions separately. For a buy, the following conditions must be satisfied. First, you would want to see the box appear outside the lower outer band of SK trend, like in this case. Secondly, you will want to see the master trend crossing into the lower bands of SK trend, like that, and it changes color, showing a change in direction, confirming the upward movement. This would have been a good entry. For a sell, the opposite of buy conditions must be satisfied. Similarly, we want the box to appear outside the upper outer band of SK trend, outside of SK trend, upper band. And secondly, we would want to see master trend change direction. So master trend cross into the upper bands of SK trend and change color, so it's showing the change in direction and confirming the downward movement. This would be a good entry. Now that we have covered 3 of the 6 indicators, there are 3 other indicators that will add to the winning percentage of this strategy. The next indicator that I would strongly recommend for purchase, which would increase your winning percentage exponentially, is the SK Pulse that appears in the sub window here. This is a hybrid momentum indicator which tracks recent price changes. With this added to the above buy or sell conditions as part of your rules, you would be amazed by the accuracy of your trades. All you need is to ensure that the aqua line here is either above the golden line for a buy or the aqua line below the golden line for a sell. So now let's go through the rules again on the chart. Just now we went through the buy and sell conditions. Now I'll draw a vertical line to show you exactly where we should be looking for a trade. In this instance, for a buy, I will check for all the rules. I need a box to appear outside the bands of SK trend, below the SK trend. I need the master trend to go into the SK trend and the color change of master trend. Aqua line must be above the golden line. Perfect. This would be my entry. Now you would ask, we have gone through the entry, what would be the stop loss and take profit? For stop loss, very simple. You would want to place below the lowest low, meaning you looked at market structure. So I would advise 5 pips below the lowest low, which is around here. So now where is take profit? Take profit would have 2 options. One is you take profit on the opposite end of SK trend, on the opposite band, or you could wait for the box to appear on the opposite side. Now, I would typically advise that you close a majority part of your position. Let's say if you open a 1 lot position, I would advise that you closed out 80% and let the remaining 20% run to the opposite side. This is to ensure that you bank on some profits. You do not want to leave too much on the table. Okay, so this we have covered the entries, rules, where you place your stop loss, the 2 options for placing your take profit. Now, we have not completed the entire indicator set yet. Okay, so now we have covered 4 indicators so far. I would like to move on to the remaining 2 indicators. The next 2 indicators are also great tools to add to your trading toolbox. The first one is called SK Pack. This indicator is developed to help you avoid entering the market when it is still ranging. And that is why this strategy is good. You can actually use it whether it's trending or ranging. If you notice on the chart here, there are candles with golden wicks. Here, here, here. So all those golden candles with golden wicks are candles which you would like to avoid entering into the market. Okay, so the wicks of the candlestick is colored gold to basically tell you that price is still ranging and not to enter. So it gives you further information to not enter a trade, basically. So it's like a warning. So now we have 5 indicators covered. You have the box, the master trend, the SK trend, the pulse, and also the golden wicks to give you confirmation of a good entry. Now, last but not least is the SK gold pot. The SK gold pot are basically arrows on the chart. and it gives you an alert when conditions are met for a buy or sell entry. So all in all, these 6 indicators work together fantastically. Now, I have shown you the buy entry. Let's look at the sell entry here. So we have the box, we have master trend changing direction, we have the gold pot, and we also have the aqua below the golden line. So this is a good entry, and we will have our TP either here. I'll change that to green for TP. And you have your stop loss here. So let's measure 5 pips above the highest high. Okay, so the second option of a good TP would be this. So, okay, so you can close out 80 to 90%, up to you. Here, when price touched this line here, and the remaining positions will run to here. So that's how you place your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, so if I were to give a simple mantra for this strategy, it's basically very simple. Box and master trend within or outside the bands, follow the master trend and confirm with pulse. Aqua must be above or below the golden line. This is it, very simple. This strategy is super simple, and the rules inherently make it easy for you to enter only on high probability trades. You can use this on different instruments, different time frames, and different market conditions, be it trending or ranging. I hope you will make a decision to purchase the SK suite. Thank you. Wish you all the best for your success.